Beautiful sun out here on my terrace. And I'm about to do another flight from here. The other day I went into that direction, 4.4 kilometers. Now I'm gonna try to do something similar, but into that direction. And because, as you can see, there is a mountain peak out there. So I'm gonna fly into that direction. It's 6.9 kilometers away, so I won't be able to make it, neither in range nor in battery. I do have my extended capacity battery in the Phantom, so I will be able to fly a lot longer than normally. But the reason I want to do this is because when I was flying around here, I noticed that when I am flying into that direction, in that area, that I had a little bit more difficulty getting a good signal than when I was flying into that direction. So I think I might get further if I go that way. So let's see if I can break the record. Because 4.4, meaning 8.8 kilometers flight, is quite a lot already, even for my standards. So let's put everything on. I'm flying towards the sun. So I got my Polarpro ND filter, 16N polarizing filter on it to block as much sun as possible. Record. First I will go into that direction a little bit to get past the houses, and then I will immediately fly on so I will have the maximum battery life for this flight. I might want to go higher. Put the camera down even a little bit more so you guys can see the beautiful environment here. It is at 5.8 gigahertz. It always does that by default. I wonder if it will switch, if it will automatically switch to 2.4 now. I read something about it. Maybe it does that on the Mavic Air. I want to go a little bit more into the direction of that peak. Bad signal, losing connection. And it does not automatically switch up. It's really a pain, because it means I have to change the frequency every time I fly. It's just, I just want it to be always No, I cannot see it very well. What am I doing? First, cancel, return to home. Second, here, not 5.8, 2.4. Alright, 2.4. Stupid system. Why is it always going to 5.8 by default? I cannot even see where I have to go now. It should be somewhere out there, according to my map. Okay, well, fly higher. Well, I was still able to get 1.5 kilometers on 5.8, which is quite a lot. Okay, I'm gonna fly higher because even right now it's losing. Yeah, maximum flight altitude. I don't think I will break the record today. Although I have 3 bars now. There is a village, so I will bypass the village like this. If I do this, it will get me another bar, and maybe if I stand here I will have another. Okay, now I can go towards the mountain again. 4 kilometers. And it's getting more difficult. So I'm going to turn around a little bit. I'm 4.4. 4.5. Okay, I broke the record. The quarry, 4.6. I'm gonna turn a little bit more. So I hope I can bypass the village. 4.8. 4.9. All right, we're gonna get 5 kilometers. Yep, we did. Ooh, it's heavy. Standing like this. And I lost the signal, so I'm gonna turn even a little bit more. 5.1.5. I have to turn back. It wants to come back home. Wow. Come back home. Yes, okay. I can see it. So we had how much? 5.2? That's the record. And also it will be a record in flying distance, because if I make it back home, it will be 10 kilometers. Flight distance. The only thing is I want to avoid the village. I don't know exactly where it is, but I can see it if it appears. I think it's on the left side of my screen, and on the right side there's probably another one. Yeah, I just bypassed the village, so I can just fly back like this, and that means I can just go sit in my chair again, which is a lot better. And now it's 9.8 meters per second, so I can speed up a little bit. It will go to 12.5, and I can control it a little bit, I think, if I put my stick to the right side. And let's see if I don't think it's doing a lot like this. Let me see. It does point the camera a little bit to the right side, but it's not like I can be in control of it a lot when it's returning home automatically like it's doing now. I can only affect the speed like this and the height, but if I put my stick to the left, it does look like the camera is going to the left a little bit, but it doesn't look like I can control it. So I want to control it. Alright, I want to fly back myself like this. As I said in an earlier video too, personally I don't mind flying over a house like this, because I think the chance that you are being hit by bird poop is a lot larger than by a falling drone. But and even if it does fall out of the sky, it will rotate, so it will not drop like a stone, but it will it's between dropping like a stone and floating like a feather. So it will most likely hit a roof and kill your drone, but nothing else. In the worst case, it might break a window, and as such it falls in the same category as a football or a frisbee hitting a window. So personally, I don't care so much. I think the risk of damaging somebody's property is smaller with a drone, if you just fly it well and safe, than with driving a bicycle or a car. And thus, I don't care so much about flying over houses, but I do understand that for the perception of people, the public and such, if they don't like it that much, then why would I bother people like that? I've been flying over houses in a village too, on Tenerife, and I did that because it's safe to do so. If I thought I would put people's life at danger by doing so, I wouldn't have done it like that. And in a special occasion, I might even want to do something similar like that again. But right now, you know, with all the issues that are involved with drones and drone laws, etc., don't irritate people if you don't have to. I would fly over this abandoned city. I did, actually. There's houses here, but I have to go. Oh, here. I thought I thought these houses were these houses, but it's the other ones. So I thought I had to fly a little bit further. Okay, so look, and we got 20% battery left. That's nice. Yes, yes. It's difficult to do that with the glasses. It's safer to do it on site. How much did I fly? I want to know. I think I can only see that in my flight log. 11.6 kilometers. Almost 12 kilometers. I had 20% battery left, so it means with the extended battery I can fly 12 kilometers and still have 20% battery left. You might even do 13, maybe one day in another video. Okay guys, if you like my adventures, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see what I'm gonna do next, leave your comments. As always, highly appreciated, and see you on the next video. Bye. 12 kilometers. Nice. That's a record for sure for me. 2 records. I broke 2 records. 5.2 kilometers distance with stock antennas and almost 12 kilometers. All right.